Good morning students. Welcome to my next lecture of the mathematics first of arithmetic progression. Myself Mrs.Vidya Jadhav from the Bhavani Vidyalaya Atpadi of Atpadi Education Society Atpadi in coordination with eZeeTest. Students, last period we studied how to identify the given sequence is an AP. Also, what is meant by common difference D and the first term A. Today we are going to learn the next point, that is the nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP means that the general term of an AP, that is the last term of an AP, that is the Tn. Now we know that the T1 is the first term, T2 second term, T3 third term, and so on. Nth term, that is the Tn. Nth term, that is the Tn, that is the general term. We find the formula of the Tn. So that we take one sequence, that is the one AP. This is the AP, this sequence is the AP because the common difference between two consecutive terms is the same. Here 8 minus 5, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. 14 minus 11 is 3. Common difference is the constant, that is the same. Therefore, this sequence is the AP. Now, here T1, that is the A, is equal to 5. Second term T2 is equal to A plus D. A plus D. How we find the T2? When we add the common difference D in first term, then we get the second term. Look here, 5 is the first term and common difference D is equal to 3. Common difference means difference between two consecutive terms. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Look here, second term is the 8. Then third term T3 is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to A. What is the value of A? 5. Plus D is the 3. 2D means 3 into 2, 6 is equal to 11. Look here, third term is the 11. Fourth term T4 is equal to A plus 3D is equal to 5 plus D is equal to 3. 3D is equal to 3 into 3, 9. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. In the same way, Tn is equal to, look here, T4 is equal to A plus 3D, T3 is equal to A plus 2D, T2 is equal to A plus 1D, and therefore Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. That is the formula of finding the nth term. Look here again, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In this formula, A is the first term, n is the number of terms, and D is the common difference, that is the difference between two consecutive terms. Using this formula, we solve some examples. Now, here we have given the example first. Find Tn. Look here. Example first. Find Tn for the following AP and then find 30 terms of an AP. Here we have given AP. From this arithmetic progression, AP means arithmetic progression. From this arithmetic progression, first we have to find Tn using that formula. And after we find 30th term of an AP. First, we write the AP again. Three, 8, 13, 18 and so on. In that AP, first term, that is the A is equal to, what is the value of A? A is equal to 3. D is the common difference. We calculate from these two terms or these two terms or these two terms. This is an AP. Therefore, common difference is the same. Therefore, difference between these two terms, that is the 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. It means that D is equal to 5. Also, we look here, formula here. We have to find Tn first. Find the Tn. Therefore, we write the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A means first term and D is the difference between two consecutive terms. We put the value A is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into value of D is the 5. Look here, 3 plus, first we solve this bracket, 5 into n, 5n, minus 5 ones are 5, plus 3 and minus 5, plus 3 and minus 5, now here 5n as it is and plus 3 and minus 5 remains minus 2. That is the value of Tn. We get first answer, that is the value of Tn. Look here again. First we write the formula. And in that formula we put the value of A. A is the 3. D is equal to 5. And we solve this bracket. 5n minus 5. Minus 5 and plus 3, it becomes minus 2. Here we have question given that find Tn for following AP and then find 30th term. आता इथं आपण Tn काढलेला आहे. We have to find value of the Tn. Then we find the T30. T30 is equal to, here we find the value of T30 from this. Here we will not use that formula. 5n minus 2 is equal to, n is equal to 30. Here we write the 5 into 30 is equal to 150 minus 2 is equal to 148. T30 is equal to 148. Look here. We calculate T30 using this formula also. But here we have given that find Tn, then find T30. Therefore, from this formula we calculate the T30. Now, the next example, that is find the 27th term of the following AP. In this example, we have to calculate, we have to find 27th term, that is the T27. AP is given that 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11. Here, from this AP, this is the AP. From this AP, first we find the value of A. A is equal to 9. A is equal to 9. D is equal to 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. And N is equal to 27 because N is equal to 27 because we have to find the 27th term. Therefore, here we write the N is equal to 27 and we have to calculate T27 is equal to question mark. We have to calculate the T27. Now we write the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. We put the value of A 9 plus value of the n is the 27 minus 1 into value of D is the minus 5 into minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 26 into minus 5. Now look here, 9 plus into minus minus, plus into minus, minus 26 into 5. 26 into 5 is equal to minus 130. Minus 130 is equal to plus 9 and minus 130. We subtract the 9 from 130 and we write the sign of minus here. That is the minus 121. Minus 121. This is the value of T17. First, from this AP, we find the value of A, D, N. N is the 27 because we have to calculate the 27th term. Therefore, N is equal to 27 and question is the find 27th term. Therefore, T27 is equal to question mark. First we write the formula, then we put the value here. Value of the N is equal to T27. Therefore, T27 is equal to A, value of the is 9, N is the 27, D is the minus 5. After calculating, we get the T27 is equal to minus 121. We write the answer here. Answer. What is the question? Find the 27th term. Therefore, answer we write here 27th term of given AP. 27th term of the given AP is minus 121. Minus 120. Here also we write the answer. Tn is equal to 5n minus 2 and T30 is equal to 148. Also we write the here nth term is equal to 5n minus 2 and 30 term is equal to 148. Now we take the next example. Example is in the practice set 3.2. Example number 6. Find how many 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5. How many 3-digit numbers? 3-digit numbers divisible by 5. Here in this example, first we find an AP. First, for finding the AP, we know that 3-digit number starts from the 100. 3-digit number starts from the 100. First, we write the AP. 3-digit number starts from the 100 and this 100 is divisible by 5. Then, second numbers is the 105. Second number after 100, 101. But 101 is not divisible by 5. Therefore, next number, that is the second term, is the 105. Third term is the 110. Next term is the 150 and the last term 3-digit number is the 999. but it is not divisible 5. Therefore, the number which are 3-digit number which are divisible by 5 is the 995. That is the last 3-digit numbers which is divisible by 5. Now we get AP. From this AP we identify A is equal to. A is the first term, that is the 100. Then we calculate the D. D is equal to 5. Difference between two consecutive terms, that is the 5. Then also Tn is given, that is the general term, that is the nth term, last term, 995. In this example, we have to calculate the value of n. N is equal to question mark. Given, which things are given? A is given, D is given, Tn is the given, Tn is the last term, that is the nth term is given, 995. We have to calculate how many 3-digit number, that is the, we have to calculate n is equal to. Therefore, we write the formula here. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D. We put the value. Tn is equal to 995. A is equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 5. The value of the D is the 5. Here 100 here becomes minus 995 minus 100 is equal to, here remains only n minus 1 into 5. It becomes 895. 895 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Here 5 becomes divide, therefore 895 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. Only remains n minus 1. N minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 here becomes plus. 179 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 180. 179 plus 1 is equal to n is equal to 180. Therefore, we write the answer. 180 turns. 180 3-digit number. 3-digit number divisible by 5. In this example, we have to calculate the how many 3-digit numbers divisible by 5. First, for solving this example, first we write the AP. We find that values A is equal to, D is equal to, Tn is equal to, that is the last term, nth term. We put the value. After solving, we get n is equal to 180, and therefore 180 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5. Next example from the practice set 3.2 is 11, 8, 5, 2 is an AP. In this AP, which term is minus 151? Which term is the minus 151? From this AP, we write A is equal to 11, D is equal to 3. Value of the D, 8 minus 11 minus 3. Value of the D is the minus 3, and we have to calculate the n. Which term? we have to calculate which term. Therefore, value of the n is equal to question mark, and here this value is the value of Tn. Tn is equal to minus 151. Tn is equal to minus 151. Now first we write the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Value of the Tn is the minus 151 is equal to A is equal to first term is the 11 plus n minus 1 into D is the minus 3. D is the minus 3. Now 11 here plus here becomes minus. 151 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 multiply here. Therefore minus 3 n minus 1. Minus 151 and minus 11 becomes minus 162 is equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. Minus sign of the both side is the cancel. 3 here multiply here. Therefore here becomes divide. 162 divided by 3 is equal to n minus 1. After dividing, we get 3 5s are 15, remains 12, 3 4s are 12 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 here becomes plus. 54 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 55. N is equal to 55. Look here. Here we are given the AP and the last term, that is the nth term, that is Tn is equal to, and we have to calculate how many terms, that is the which term is the, and therefore we have to calculate the n. After putting the value, when we solve this example, we get n is equal to 55. We write the answer here. 50 term is minus 151. Next example. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference. We have to calculate the common difference, that is the value of D. In an AP is not given here. Here we given that only one condition, that 17th term, that is the T17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. T17th is equal to T10th plus 7. From this condition we write that type of the equation. Here we have given that 17th term is the 7 more than its 10th term. 10व्या टर्म पेक्षा 17वी टर्म जी आहे, 17वी टर्म म्हणजे T17 इज इक्वल टू 10व्या टर्म पेक्षा 7 ने जास्त आहे, मोर आहे. Therefore we write here T17 is equal to T10 plus 7. T17 is equal to T10 plus 7. Now we have formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here T17 is equal to A plus 17. N value of the n is the 17. Therefore 17 minus 1 into D. Look here, T17 is equal to A plus 16D. T17 is equal to A plus 16D. In the same way, T10 is equal to A plus, Here value of n is the 10. Therefore 10 minus 1 into d. T10 is equal to, look here, T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1, 9 d. This is 1 and this is 2. From 1 and 2, which condition is given? We have that T17 is equal to T10 plus 7. Therefore, we write here from 1 and 2, T17 is the A plus 16D is equal to T10 is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. We write here value of T10 and value of T17. Now look here, these two terms we take here A plus 16D minus A, these two terms we take here minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. A minus A cancel. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7D is equal to 7. And therefore 7 is here multiply. It becomes divide, 7 divided by 7. Therefore D is equal to 1. And in our example, find the common difference. Common difference, that is the D. Common difference, that is the D. This example is different than other example. In this example, we have given that only one is the important condition, that is the 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Therefore, we write 17th term is equal to plus 7, that is the more 7 than its T10th, that is the 10th term. Here from this formula of the Tn, we write the T17 here first, then we write the T10 here and put these two values in that given condition. We find the value of D. Next example, the 10th term and 18th term of an AP are 25 and 41 respectively. Then find 38th term of that AP. Similarly, if nth term is the 99, find the value of n. Here, in this example, we have to given the three questions here. Here we have not given any AP. We don't know the value of A, value of D. First we find the value of A and D. Then we calculate all these things. We have given that 10th term. 10th term means T10 is given. T10 is equal to, what is the value of T10? T10 is equal to 25. And also we have given 18th term. 18th term is the 41. Therefore, T18 is equal to 41. Only these two things are given. Then find 38th term. That is the, we have to calculate 338 is equal to question mark. Also we have given nth term, that is the Tn is equal to 99 and find the value of n, and n is equal to question mark. Only these things are given in this example. T10 10th term दिलेली आहे, 18th term दिलेली आहे. T10 is equal to 25. First we write the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Look here. T10 is equal to A plus, value of n is the 10 minus 1 into D. Value of of the T10 is the 25. 25 is equal to A plus 9D. Therefore, A plus 9D is equal to 25. A plus 9D is equal to 25. This is the equation 1. This is the linear equation in two variables. From second, T18 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 into D. Value of the T18 is the 41. 41 is equal to A plus 17D. 18 minus 1, 17. And therefore, A plus 17D is equal to 41. This is the another linear equation. These two linear equations are in the variable A and D. When we solve these two linear equations, we get the value of A and the value of D. Now, for solving these two equations, first I write the A plus 17D is equal to 41, and first equation A plus 9D is equal to 25. We solve these two equations. For solving these two equations, we subtract these two equations. After subtracting, A minus A, 0. 17 minus 9D. 17 minus 9D plus 8D is equal to 41 minus 25, 16. Therefore, 8D is equal to 16. Therefore, D is equal to 16 divided by 8. Therefore, D is equal to 2. We get the value of D is equal to 2. Now, we put the value of D in equation first. Putting D is equal to 2 in equation first. First we write the equation first. A plus 9D is equal to 25. Put the value of D is equal to 2. A plus 9 into 2 is equal to 25. A plus 18 is equal to 25. A is equal to 18 plus here becomes minus 25 minus 18. A is equal to 7. Now we get the value of A and D. A is equal to 7 and D is equal to 2. We solve these two linear equations for finding the value of variable A and D. Now we have question that the find T38 is equal to T38. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. We have to calculate T38 is equal to A, value of the A is the 7 plus value of the n is the 38 minus 1 into 2 is equal to 7 plus 37 into 2. Remain 37 into 2 is equal to 7 plus 74. T38 is equal to adding these two we get 81. T38 is equal to 81. Now we have second question. Tn is equal to 99. Tn is equal to 99. we have to find n is equal to. Again we write the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Value of the Tn is the 99 is equal to A is equal to 7 plus n minus 1. We have to calculate n. Value of the D is the 2. Now look here. 7 is plus here becomes minus is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 99 minus 7. 92 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Here 2 is the multiplied here. Therefore here becomes divide 92 divided by 2 is equal to n minus 1. 46 into 2 is equal to 92. Therefore 46 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore 46, this minus 1 becomes plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 47. N is equal to 47. Here, look here in this example. This is the hot example for the 4 marks in board examination. 10th term is given. Also 18th term is the given. We have to calculate 38th term and also T19 is given and we have to calculate n is equal to question mark. Now here first we write the formula of the Tn. From this formula we calculate the T10, one linear example, and from this value of the T18 we get the another linear equation, and this after solving these two linear equations we get the value of A and value of D, and putting these two values A and D we calculate the T38. Then next Tn is equal to 99 is given. Then we have to find n. Again we write the formula of Tn, and after solving this we get the value of n. In this way we complete the practice set 3.2. After this lecture you should be solve the practice set 3.3.